Good afternoon. Today we will be working on question 41 of the Thermodynamics homework packet. The question states the value of delta G at 25 degrees Celsius for the formation of phosphorus trichloride from its constituent elements as shown below is blank kilojoules per mole. As you can see, we're already given a balanced equation. To find delta G, we must use the equation delta H minus temperature times the change delta S, which is the change of enthalpy. To find delta H, we must subtract the delta H of products minus the delta H of reactants. To find delta S, we must subtract the delta S of the products minus the delta S of the reactants. We will start by finding delta H. Delta H is equal to 2 times the value of PCl3, which is negative 288.1, minus the reactants, which is P2 144.3, plus 3 times 0. This cancels out and we're left with 2 times negative 288.1 minus 144.3, which is equal to negative 720.5. Now we will find the delta S. Delta S is equal to 2 times the value of PCl3, which is 311.7, minus the value of the reactants, which is P2 and 3Cl2. P2 is equal to 218.1 plus 3 times the value of Cl2, which is equal to 22.96. When you multiply, subtract, and all of these values up, you get negative 263.58. But don't forget, this is in joules, so we must convert to kilojoules, which equal negative 0.26358 kilojoules. If you're confused as to where we found the values for each of the reactants, please look at the table above with the delta H values and the S values. Now we will substitute all of these values into our equation. Delta G is equal to the change of enthalpy, which is delta H, which is negative 720.5, minus temperature, with 25 degrees Celsius in Kelvin is 298.15, times the value that we got for the change in enthalpy, delta S, which is negative 0.26358, and our answer is negative 642.9, which is choice C. Thank you and have a good day.